If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a video on a DIY, do-it-yourself glitter gloss. And when I say glitter gloss, I'm not talking about like the glitter gloss kit. I'm talking about like just with regular glitter and clear gloss, you know. So I was like, you know what? I should do this video. Let me try it. You know, honestly, y'all, I'm gonna be real with y'all. This is my first time doing it. And I wanted to do it with y'all and like see, you know. And then if it comes out good, then y'all can do it. And we can do it together right now. Like if you got some glitter and you got some clear gloss, let's do it right now together. Like, oh, I'm trying to choose which gloss that I wanna use because I got a couple of clear glosses. So this gloss is by, I'm gonna put the website and the link in the description box below, but she's a good friend of mine, Dwalisa, and I love this gloss because the thing I love about it, like I don't like really sticky gloss, and her glosses are not sticky at all, like, and it lasts all day. Like I love her glosses, and she just came out with a pink one and it's bomb. Like I love her, and I love her. Okay, and then I have another gloss, a hydrating lip oil, but I think I'm gonna do it with her gloss and see and mix it. And I'm not sure what color glitter I want to do. I think I just want to do a whole bunch of glitter colors, a whole bunch of color. So these are the glitters that I'm gonna use. And here's the plate. I'm gonna just put it on the plate. So I'm gonna put the gloss first and put the glitter, and I'm gonna show y'all. Hold up. Now we're gonna put the gloss on our lips. I already put the brown lip liner because y'all know I can't go without the brown lip liner. Ooh, it worked! And like, you know, some glosses don't be having the glitters like popping like that. But hold up for a second. Y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I know this was a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, you know. And I hope you guys did it with me. Mix the glitters and the gloss, and your lips is popping. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello to the new subscribers that subscribed, that's new to my channel. And thanks for everyone who supported me, you know. Those who are new, okay, we're on a road to 1 million, okay? No, we're on a road to 1 billion, and I ain't going nowhere. I hope y'all ain't going nowhere, but bye.